In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 8D audio in CapCut. If you've ever listened to 8D audio before, you know how immersive and captivating it feels. The sound seems to move around you, creating a unique, almost hypnotic experience. And the best part, you don't need any fancy equipment or software to create this effect yourself. With CapCut, a free and beginner-friendly video editing tool, you can achieve this in just a few simple steps. Whether you're an aspiring content creator, a musician, or just curious about audio effects, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know. If you haven't already downloaded CapCut, you can find the link in the description to get started. Alright, let's dive in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Once the program has loaded, import the audio clip you want to work with. The easiest way to do this is by dragging your file directly onto the timeline. This step sets the foundation for creating the 8D audio effect, so make sure your clip is ready to go. Now that your audio is in place, let's move into selecting the clip and accessing the controls. Click on the audio clip within the timeline to ensure it's selected. This is important because all the changes we'll be making will directly apply to this specific clip. Next, look over to the top right panel of your screen and click into the Audio tab. This is where you'll find all the sound shaping tools you need to craft the 8D effect. Once inside the Audio tab, scroll down until you reach the basic section. Here you'll see two key controls, the volume slider and the balance slider. These are the main tools we'll use to create the swirling, left to right motion that defines 8D audio. Now, let's add some keyframes to the balance slider to animate the effect. Move the playhead to the exact spot on the timeline where you want the 8D audio effect to begin. Precise placement here is critical, as it ensures the effect sounds natural and intentional. To set your first keyframe, click on the small diamond icon next to the balance slider. At this point, leave the balance value at 0. This keeps the audio centered for the starting point of your animation. From here, move the playhead forward by about 1 to 2 seconds. Once you've done that, set the balance value to 100, which will push the audio fully to the left side. You'll notice that CapCut automatically adds another keyframe here. Now, move the playhead forward again by another 1 to 2 seconds, and set the balance value to -100. This shifts the audio fully to the right. By alternating these balance values between 100 and -100, you'll create the signature left-to-right motion of 8D audio. Repeat this process as many times as needed throughout your clip. If you want a slower, more relaxed swirling effect, spread the keyframes farther apart. For a faster, more dynamic effect, place them closer together. For an added layer of realism, let's explore an optional step, animating the volume. When the audio is at its far left or right position, you can lower the volume slightly by about 3 to 5 decibels. This simulates the sensation of the sound moving around you. To do this, simply add keyframes to the volume slider at these points and make the adjustments. While this step isn't required, it can make the effect feel more immersive and natural. With your keyframes in place, it's time to preview your work. Be sure to use headphones for this step. The 8D effect is designed to be experienced in a stereo environment, and headphones will give you the best representation of how your audience will hear it. As you listen, pay close attention to the flow of the effect. If anything feels off, you can adjust the timing or values of the keyframes to make it smoother. Don't worry if it takes a few tries to get everything just right. Fine-tuning is part of the process. And for the final part, let's export your project. Once you're satisfied with how everything sounds, go ahead and choose your desired export settings. CapCut will then render your project, finalizing your 8D audio creation so it's ready to share or use however you like. And there you have it. You've just learned how to create an 8D audio effect using CapCut. By following these steps, you can transform any audio clip into a mesmerizing experience that captivates your listeners. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to see covered in future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.